Hi, and thank you for allowing us to see you in this video. I want to be showing you a few tips on how by improving your website you can improve your online presence, be found on Google, and of course get more clients. So first things first, I have the website built here, and one of the things that I have to recommend, especially here on the homepage, is to add more relevant content. And by content, not just images, but more wording, because when you add content, it has to be original, it has to be relevant, and it has to include the keywords that you want to be found for. And they have to be placed in specific areas of your website, in this case, the homepage, so Google can start picking, picking them up. So that's one of the things. And same thing with the sub pages, for example. Let's take here well water. Um, so a little more content here that you have a decent amount of content, but if you're not targeting the right keywords, you're probably not being found on Google. So, and I can see that you have some words bolded, and but it's not doing what it's supposed to. And I'm going to show you. I'll be showing you why. If I look in the back end of your website, you're only being found for 25 keywords. You're getting roughly one visit a month to your website, and you have 10 backlinks. Now, what are backlinks? Backlinks are other sites that are mentioned in your website and will give you power so you can find on Google as well. This comes hand in hand with the content that you have in your website. And depending on the backlinks, if they're relevant, if they're consistent, this revenue will start increasing, and that will give you um, more chances to be found on Google. But keep in mind that not all links are created equal. So you can have thousands and hundreds of backlinks, but if they're not powerful, if they are not relevant, and most important, if they are not targeting the keywords that you need to be found for, these will be complete useless. So let's take a look really quick on the keywords that you're being found for. And just a simple site, I don't see anything relevant here. So you might be missing a lot of opportunities when it comes to keywords that have more volume of search and what are you targeting. So you can see here, chlorine injection systems. That's a broad because it can be national, can be uh, for out of state, and there's 200 searches a month for that. You're ranking on the third page actually, and you're not getting any traffic for that. So, um, and I know you serve on New Jersey, but I'm not. I don't know if you serve other areas. If you want to cover other areas, but if I go to Google and do a quick search for well water test in New Jersey, the first thing you're gonna see here is the traditional Google Ads. And this is what you pay every time that you click on it. And if it's not done correctly, you're gonna be wasting a lot of money because it has to be done in a certain way that you will be targeting people that are actually interested in this. Because if you do this, somebody clicks on it, it's not going to be a guaranteed customer. So something to keep in mind. Then we have the map section, and this is where you're going to be regardless of your location. You can target the whole New Jersey area. But if you're not in this top three, you're probably not getting this space because uh, consider the chances. If you here, you most likely will be in the organic results. So you got the person number one from the New Jersey government, number two, then you have number three, number four, number five. And for the purpose of the video, I want to pull out this guy's website and see why they're ranking on this first page. So you can see that their homepage doesn't have too much of content, but they're probably targeting the right keywords that you're not. And they're probably not even have the same services that you do. And that was the other thing that I want to suggest on your homepage. Uh, Try to see what exactly you're providing because you provide cleaner, safer, better tasting water. Um, but more information, more here you can add a keyword that can actually target something that can that can point you to be, start ranking in a Google search. But going back again with these guys over here, um, they don't have that many pages as well. They don't have that many information. But if we look on the back end of their website, they're being found for 136 keywords being put on their website, of course. Um, 90 visits a month straight to their website, and they have over actually 490 backlinks. You can see that these backlinks are doing the job because this rating is pretty decent, and this one's not that bad. So that's why they're ranking in that first page. Now let's take a look at the keywords that they are being found for. So here it is: water testing engine, 150 searches a month. They're ranking number three. They're getting 15 visits straight to their website from these 150. So something to consider. Well water testing, same thing, 150. 10 visits. They're ranking number five, like we just saw. Um, well water testing, NJ, 100 searches a month. They're ranking the first page, but still they're getting five visits to their website for that keyword. And the options can go um, pretty broad because there's a lot of things that you can target, not specific areas. For example, Princeton, Freehold, or even counties, Mercer County, Middlesex. So a lot of things that you can target depending on the search volume. It can increase, absolutely can. It can give you a chance to increase the traffic to your website and get more leads. So uh, I don't want to take too much of your time. If you think we can answer any question that you have, I'll be more than happy to do so. We can definitely help you out to understand more when it comes to search engine optimization. And we're just not your typical marketing company. We cannot give you a price right here until we do a market research and show you what volume for keywords might be the best for you. So once again, if you have any questions, feel free to reach out. I know we have a scheduled call, I think it's for tomorrow, and we can talk and go in more in deep about all this. Thank you.